Hello again, this is a new dashcam which has been sent to me via The Edge. This is the T4 touchscreen dual lens dashcam. A quick look at some of the features. We've got full HD 1920 by 1080p dual recording, a 4-inch TFT LCD colour touchscreen, 155 degree wide angle lens, dual lenses for simultaneous front and rear recording, a built-in G sensor, motion detection, parking mode, and of course audio recording. It features a WDR camera, which is a wide dynamic range, 4-inch touchscreen, loop recording, motion detection, and it's an easy touchscreen process to do whatever you need to do. Let's have a quick look at what we do have in the box. Nicely packaged as usual. First thing you'll see, it looks very large. The screen on the back, the S8 is massive, really clear. I would imagine once we get that up and running, doing some videos. Underneath the rest of the packaging, we've got all the usual additional and required items, all the necessary cables. We do have the cigarette lighter plug, cable fasteners so you can tuck everything away nice and tidy, a trim removal tool, the thick cable is the one which goes from the front of the car to the back. It's a very good length and you shouldn't have any problems or issues getting that to reach from the front of your vehicle to the back of the vehicle. A nice large suction cup and a 32GB memory card supplied, courtesy of Kingston. That's a good addition. And the rear cam, very small in comparison to some that I've already seen. And the usual little bits of paperwork inside, the user guide, and a thank you note. So a little closer look at the actual camera itself. This is where the real stuff comes into play. Across the top you've got a USB port, camera, the holder to go into your mount. Sides a bit nice and plain, nothing difficult to look at. Power button on the side and the slot for your micro SD card. It's a nice tidy design. As I say, maybe just a little bit on the large side, but as long as you position it right in the car, that shouldn't be an issue for anybody. But the magic is going to be in this screen at the back. 4 inches long, very good. And this should be quite a treat to get it installed into the car. I'll do that, and in due course I'll also post some videos of it in action. Okay.